Welcome back. Now we continue this evening monitoring that trough system in the center of the basin, which is helping to generate some afternoon showers across the Greater Antilles, which does include Jamaica. We're also seeing isolated thunderstorms dotted across the area from that shallow trough system across Hispaniola, across the eastern Bahamas as well as Cuba. Now we're expecting the trough system to remain across the area for tomorrow, but it is likely to be filling as we start or earlier in the week of next week. We should be seeing that trough fill and high pressure become more dominant across the region. An increase in wind speeds across the open waters of the basin is expected also for tomorrow. Now the forecast for tonight, we're expecting partly cloudy conditions across sections of the west, but it's generally fair across most of the island. Temperatures 24 degrees Celsius in Kingston, temperatures drop to 22 degrees Celsius for Montego Bay. We expect 10 knot winds on both coasts, from the east on the south coast and from the southeast on the north coast. In the morning tomorrow, some showers are forecast to affect sections of eastern parishes. In the afternoon, showers are expected mainly across inland areas and western parishes. Temperatures 31 degrees Celsius in Kingston, 30 degrees Celsius, that's the maximum we're expecting in Montego Bay. Now our breakdown has isolated showers and possible thunderstorms for sections of Halfway Tree, also for Mapen, Mandeville, Santa Cruz, Black River, Savannah, Lamar and the Grill. We're expecting isolated showers also in Spanish Town. Elsewhere across the area, look for some isolated showers and possible thunderstorms if you're in Brownstown or in Ocho Rios, Port Maria or Port Antonio. Expect cloudy conditions in the afternoon for Golden Spring and Bog Walk, also for Moco and Christiana. We're expecting isolated showers in the west, in Green Shield, as well as in Duncan's and in Duncan's Trelawney. Now, isolated showers are expected to continue Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday in the afternoons of next week. For the marine forecast, on the north coast tomorrow, the winds are easterly at 15 to 20 knots, wave heights 1.5 to 2 meters. On the south coast tomorrow, we're expecting the winds from the east-southeast at 15 to 20 knots with wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. And a small craft warning is in effect for offshore areas. For tomorrow, the winds are getting to 25 knots with wave heights getting up to 2.5 meters. And then on Monday, the winds are out of the east at 15 to 20 knots with similar conditions on Tuesday and Wednesday. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. But we thank you so much for watching.